Hello everyone, this is Rahul Soshte, the creator of this client SDK, uh, which is I'm building. This enables you to connect to the Soroban, the Stellar network using a the Rust language, the Rust programming language. Uh, so yeah, so it has one-to-one parity with the Java. The API is very similar to the JavaScript, the SDK, which has been built by the Stellar Foundation. Yeah, so it also supports Protocol 22, which is currently still not been still there, which will happen. The protocol upgrade will happen on December 5, and on Stellar. So yeah, so currently is it will be able to connect to testnet, but once the protocol 22 upgrade happens on the mainnet, will also be able to connect with the mainnet. Yeah, so for in this I'll show you a short demo what I'm doing here. First initialize the server, this and connect to the testnet. Then I initialize the key pair, okay, and then I actually get the account data of the public key, which is attached to that key pair. I also get the sequence number attached to it actually, and then I initialize the contract, which is like the using an address. You can see it's a valid address. Yeah, so yeah, it's deployed in the testnet. Then I actually build a transaction, set the fee, add operations, which calls the increment function inside the contract, and then I actually prepare the transaction using the underscore transaction function, which simulates and creates a new transaction. Yeah, and then I actually sign the transaction, and then send it, and then I poll the success poll for the success response from the network. Actually show you a short demo. All right, so it's still confirming. Yeah, so you can get the return value, which is like 33. So it has been incremented to 33, and then so you can see it actually did a transaction using the SDK. I can also show you the transaction on stellar.expert. It actually invoked, and you can see all the details here. In this submission, I'm finally getting this library to production, and that's what my focus is for this particular submission.